I told you everything you just watched was created from a single prompt inside Claude, would you believe me? Not just the script, not just the images, I mean the entire advertisement, the product research, the creative direction, the storyboard, the cinematic shots, even the final video assets. And the crazy part is, I never left Claude. That's because Claude can finally do something it couldn't do before. It doesn't just think anymore. It actually creates. This is made possible by Higgsfield MCP. You've probably heard people talk about MCP servers recently, but most of them only let AI access files or automate simple tasks. Higgsfield MCP is different. It gives Claude the ability to generate creative assets like images and videos directly from your conversation. So instead of Claude telling you what prompt to copy into another AI tool, it can actually generate the media for you. In today's video, I'm going to test exactly how far that goes. I'm going to give Claude one fictional product. This product doesn't exist. I designed it specifically for this experiment. Then I'll ask Claude to build a complete cinematic advertisement around it. That includes the marketing angle, the script, the visual concepts, the images, the videos, everything. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield, but I'm going to show you everything exactly as it happens, including the prompts I use and the final outputs. Before we start generating anything, there's one quick step. If you haven't connected Higgsfield MCP yet, it only takes about 30 seconds. The link to get started is right at the top of the description. This is the main section of Higgsfield MCP, and if you are right on the main Higgsfield homepage instead, simply click on the MCP on the top menu here, and it will take you to the MCP directly. You will see some listed platforms such as Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, Claude Code, OpenClaw and Hermes. Mostly Claude will be selected as default. All you have to do is copy this link, and you can also click on the Open Claude Customize here, and it will take you directly to Claude. You need to log into your Claude first. Inside Claude, click on the Customize on the left side bar, select Connectors. Click on Add at the top here, select Add Custom Connector. Enter Higgsfield as the name and paste the link. Click Add. I already have Higgsfield MCP connected. Once it's connected, Claude can begin generating creative assets directly through Higgsfield MCP. Rather than guiding Claude through every single step of the creative process, you can give it a custom skill that already knows the entire workflow from start to finish. Think of it as teaching Claude a repeatable system, instead of repeating the same instructions every time. Click Customize menu, head over to Skills, then select Upload skill and import the one you've created. For this tutorial, I'm using a motion effects skill that's designed to build professional animated video ads. If you haven't downloaded it yet, don't worry. I've included it in the description below so you can grab it and follow along. Once it's installed, Claude gains a structured workflow for turning a simple product image, company logo, or even a short description into a polished promotional animation. Instead of relying on guesswork, it follows a predefined process that keeps everything organized and consistent. Let's see if Claude can transform this simple product image into a cinematic advertisement that looks like it came from a real brand. To start, I simply asked Claude to create a motion effect. The first thing Claude does is check that Higgsfield MCP is actually connected and ready to use. It also checks my available credits before doing anything else, so it doesn't start generating content without confirming everything is set up properly. Once that's done, it explains the workflow it's going to follow. Instead of jumping straight into video generation, it works through a structured production pipeline. Next, Claude asks a few simple questions to understand the project. How long should the video be? What format do you want? What are we promoting? What's the overall style? In my case, I'm creating a 15-second YouTube advertisement for a fictional sneaker brand. After that, the upload widget opens directly inside the chat. Since the Higgsfield tools can't access images attached to the conversation, I uploaded my product image directly into the workflow. This uploaded image becomes the foundation for the entire project, keeping the product consistent across every scene and throughout the final video. Claude then asks for a few branding details, including the product name, tagline, mood, and color palette. I chose the name Butterfly Air with the tagline Fly Your Style and gave it a clean, premium, modern look. Using that information, Claude automatically decides which creative direction fits the project. Instead of me telling it exactly how every shot should look, It analyzes the brand and recommends the most suitable visual style. Before generating any video, Claude creates a storyboard. This is basically a visual blueprint showing every major scene before any expensive rendering begins. It's a smart way to review the concept before spending credits on the final animation, while the render has started. This is where Higgsfield MCP takes over and turns everything we've planned into the final commercial. What's interesting is that all the planning we've done up to this point, from the brief and storyboard to the hero image, is feeding directly into this final render. So instead of generating random scenes, the video follows a consistent creative direction from beginning to end. And here's the result. Within seconds, it designed an entirely new sneaker from scratch that matched the branding, colors, and overall style we'd already established. Once I approved the new hero image, Claude handed everything over to Higgsfield MCP. From there, Higgsfield generated the complete cinematic advertisement. That's what really impressed me. Claude isn't just helping you write prompts anymore. It's planning the project, making creative decisions, generating the assets through Higgsfield MCP, and preparing everything for delivery. Instead of juggling multiple AI tools, the entire creative workflow happens in one conversation. I have to say, this turned out better than I expected. The first thing that stands out is the consistency. The sneaker keeps the same overall design throughout the commercial, and the branding stays true to the style we defined earlier. The camera movement also feels very intentional. Instead of looking like random AI motion, you get smooth cinematic reveals, dramatic lighting, and those premium product shots you'd normally expect from a professionally produced commercial. Look at the lighting here. The reflections, the glowing teal accents, and the dark studio environment all work together to give the shoe a premium, high-end feel. And I also like how the pacing changes throughout the video. It starts with slower hero shots to introduce the product, then gradually builds energy with more dynamic movement before ending on a clean brand reveal. And that's another detail I appreciate. Instead of simply ending the animation, it finishes with a proper logo lock and tagline, making it feel like a complete advertisement rather than just a collection of AI-generated clips. This AI scan gives this 15-second video a 47/100 engagement score, meaning it's mid-tier, not a flop, but not a breakout. The 88% sustained score is excellent, people stay till the end, but the 32 hook score is dangerously low, nobody clicks in the first place. Bottom line, fix the opening frame and first line of dialogue, and this video goes from average to high virality potential. The biggest takeaway for me isn't just the quality of the video, it's the workflow. Normally I'd be switching between different AI tools for image generation, video generation, editing, and exporting. Here, Claude handled the planning, made creative decisions based on the information I provided, and then used Higgsfield MCP to generate the assets and produce the final commercial, all within the same conversation. That kind of end-to-end workflow saves a huge amount of time, especially if you're creating product ads, social media campaigns, or content at scale. Let's put this to another real-world test. This time, instead of using a shoe, I'm going to use this fictional noodle brand that I designed, Fira Inferno Chicken Ramen, and see what Claude and Higgsfield MCP can create from a single product image. I'm using the exact same motion effects skill, but with a completely different type of product. This is a great way to see how well it adapts to different creative projects. I'll simply drag and drop the product image into Claude, and from there, Higgsfield MCP begins analyzing the packaging, the colors, the branding, and the overall visual style. Rather than jumping straight into the animation, it first creates a storyboard with multiple cinematic scenes and camera movements. This gives me a chance to review the creative direction before any video is generated. Once I'm happy with the storyboard, Higgsfield MCP takes that approved concept and transforms this single product image into a polished, cinematic advertisement. Let's see what it comes up with. One thing I really like here is that Claude doesn't just jump straight into generating the video. It actually thinks through the creative direction first. As soon as I upload the product, it analyzes the packaging, the colors, the branding, and even the type of product I'm promoting. Because this is a spicy instant noodle brand, it automatically changes the creative style. Instead of using the slow, premium look from the sneaker commercial, it switches to a much faster, high-energy concept with dramatic camera moves, smoke, flames, and flying ingredients. All right, the video is ready. Let's play it. Wow, I really like how it opens. Instead of revealing the product immediately, it starts with thick smoke and glowing embers filling the screen. Then, almost like it's being summoned, a male hand reaches through the smoke, and the package follows. It's a small detail, but it instantly gives the commercial a more cinematic feel. It doesn't look like a simple product spin. It feels like the beginning of a premium advertisement. From there, the camera begins moving around the package while flames rise in the background. The floating chili peppers, herbs, and sparks all reinforce the spicy theme without making the scene feel overcrowded. I also like how the lighting complements the packaging. The warm orange glow from the fire contrasts beautifully with the teal packaging, making the product stand out in almost every frame. As the camera slowly rotates around the product, the motion stays smooth and consistent. The packaging remains clean and recognizable throughout the animation, which is really important if you're creating commercial content. Then it transitions into these close-up hero shots that feel very similar to what you'd expect from a professional food commercial. The dramatic lighting, the depth of field, and the subtle camera movement all work together to give the product a premium look. And it finishes with a clean product reveal surrounded by flames, leaving the viewer with a strong final impression of the brand. For something that started with a single product image, I think the result is genuinely impressive. Higgsfield MCP didn't just animate the packaging, it built a complete visual story around it. From the smoky opening and the dramatic hand reveal to the cinematic camera movements and fiery atmosphere, every scene feels connected and reinforces the product's spicy identity. That's what makes this workflow so powerful. You're not just generating motion, you're generating a complete creative sequence that looks like it was planned, shot by shot. Now let's switch gears again. We've already seen Claude and Higgsfield MCP create a commercial for food, but I'm curious to see how it handles a completely different category. This time, I'm going to use a pair of Bluetooth earbuds. The interesting thing is, I'm using the exact same workflow. I'm not changing the skill or manually directing every shot. I'm simply giving Claude a different product and letting it decide the most appropriate creative direction. That's what I really want to test. Can it recognize that this is a premium tech product and automatically create a commercial that feels completely different from the spicy noodle ad? Let's find out. Watch this. Instead of jumping straight into the animation, Claude is actually making sure everything is set up properly first. It's checking that the image is ready, confirming the style we want, and building a high-quality hero shot before anything starts moving. This is really smart because the animation is only as good as the first frame. If that foundation isn't right, the final video won't look nearly as polished. There was even a moment where the render couldn't start because the image was still processing. Rather than forcing it and wasting credits, the workflow simply waited until everything was ready, then automatically continued. That's one of the biggest advantages of connecting Claude with Higgsfield through MCP. You're not just generating videos, you're creating a workflow that thinks ahead, catches problems early, and produces a much more professional result. Once the storyboard is approved, Claude generates a high-quality hero image. This becomes the anchor frame for the entire commercial, helping every scene stay visually consistent from beginning to end. Interestingly, my original product image triggered the moderation system. Instead of repeatedly trying the same image, Claude explained exactly what happened and suggested creating a completely original product instead. And it didn't stop there. Then you get these close-up cinematic shots that really emphasize the glossy finish and the reflections across the surface. Those little details make the product look much more expensive. Another thing I like is how the camera moves around the earbuds. You get slow cinematic orbits, subtle push-ins, and clean transitions that naturally guide your attention from one feature to the next. And the ending is probably my favorite part. It settles on a clean hero shot with beautiful lighting and a polished composition that feels ready for a real product launch. What really stands out isn't just the animation quality, it's how Claude completely changed its creative approach based on the product I uploaded. The noodle commercial was bold, energetic, and full of action. This one is calm, premium, and cinematic. I didn't tell it to use slower camera movements, luxury lighting, or elegant product rotations. Claude understood the type of product, and Higgsfield MCP brought that creative vision to life. That's the impressive part. It isn't just generating videos, it's adapting the entire creative style to match the product you're trying to showcase. After testing different products and workflows, I think the biggest takeaway is that Higgsfield MCP isn't just generating videos. It gives Claude the ability to plan, create, and deliver complete creative projects, all from a single conversation. Whether it's a product commercial, a cinematic ad, or a completely different creative idea, the workflow stays fast, organized, and surprisingly intuitive. If you found this video helpful and want to see more AI workflows like this, subscribe to the channel because I've got another hands-on AI tutorial coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.